been screwed in the lane. Bitch, I been screwed in the lane. Bitch, I been screwed in the lane. Yeah. Rest in peace, Big Mo. Rest in peace, DJ Screw. I'm in the lane while I'm chopped and screwed. We get to it like we ain't got no food. These sucker niggas think they hard catch these hands or these tools. Feel like Home Depot the way I handle this tool. Treat them like a bitch the way I handle that fool. 414 that I'm from, they sell grits or that fool. I don't let these pussy niggas get close to me, I guess I'm rude. Niggas claim they real, but they really can't tell the truth. Shit, they can't even stand the truth. Bitches gotta watch them, yeah, they fucking your homies too. Or they lying to set you up and get you out of here, dude. That's why I don't be around, I don't condone the fuck shit. Michael Myers, when I'm stepping, he can get his throat slit. Pops was tryna make ends meet, yeah, he was selling shit. Mom did her thing too, yeah, she was on her woman shit.